always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna do this live cop for Supreme week 10. Honestly, I am gonna try to go for that graffiti or hand style hoodie. That's the only piece that I really do need this week. I wouldn't really be too bummed if I don't end up getting it, but at the end of the day, that is the piece that I'm trying to lay my eyes on this week. I saw that the jersey's retailing like at $198 to $218, which is insane in my opinion, but I kind of do understand it because it does have a bunch of embroidery on it and a lot of details, so I see why the price is around that point. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Y'all already know, man, we're like 40-ish subscribers away from 18,000. We literally been this close, and you guys have been showing mad love lately, so please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Look at the sub count. Hey, come on, add yourself to the number. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the near future. I am gonna film some more sneaker videos. I'm gonna talk about my favorite releases for May in a couple days, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover that. With all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So right away you can see the shit loads up after like 10 seconds or so. I go automatically on the brown colorway, and they did have XXL, but that's beside the point. Add it to the cart, click the checkout button, and it's starting to look promising at this point. I'm entering all my information in. I click the agree, then I process my payment. As you can see right here, was on please wait, and then it sent me back to process payment, which I don't understand too clearly. Then I got fucking card decline. At this point, I think that Supreme did ban my address. I don't really know what's going on too well, but at the end of the day, I went back and I'm trying to get it again, bro. I go straight back to the hoodie. I go find my size. They had it in the XL, so I added to cart quickly. Go to checkout. I know that this was one of the more popular colors, so I'm trying to go through it really quickly. I process my payment once again. As you can see, it's giving me issues again. It says please wait. It said it was sold out, bro, so I'm sick. Go back to the hoodie. I remove it from my cart because obviously this is about to happen again right now. Boom. I just confirmed that it was sold out because it was still in my cart, so I took it out, put the large in, add that to cart. Let's go ahead and check out. For the third time, I'm over here trying to get this damn hoodie, and it's not looking too good for me. Look, shit is saying please wait. I got high traffic again. If y'all know a way to get past this high traffic shit, please let me know in the comments, because I don't really know, and I've been getting this. My girl has been cooking for me on a couple. I don't know what's going on this time around, bro. I got this card decline again. I feel like this hoodie was a possibility to be able to buy it because it did sit for a little minute. Shit just got tragic, bro. Like, I don't even know what to say, to be honest. So as you see right here, I got the city behind me. Pretty much does it for this video, to be honest. I tried my best as far as this whole drop went, and it was just tragic, bro. Like, I did everything I could to go ahead and get this damn hoodie, and nothing worked out for me, and it is what it is. You know, my day will come. So I am going to be dropping an unboxing really soon, like in a couple days, and y'all will see that I managed to cook up at least slightly on something, bro. Like, I finally hit on something, and I'm so grateful. It's not the biggest W, let's be realistic, but at the end of the day, I was able to cook up on something, bro. Tomorrow the Travis Scott Jordan 6s come out, and honestly, I'm gonna try to go for those. I feel like those are some heat, and resell's gonna be there, bro. I've been seeing a lot of pictures. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull them up real quick. So these Travis Scott Jordan 6s are gonna be releasing tomorrow, and I honestly need these. I'm not gonna lie, resell's gonna be there on these. Retail's gonna be like $250 if I'm not mistaken, but look at this, bro. They made the tongue glow in the dark. The lace lock glows in the dark. The whole outsole glows in the dark. Not the two little pieces on the side. No, the whole shit, bro. There's been so much heat releasing in this week that honestly I'm overwhelmed. I tried going for everything. Sakai's, University Blue Jordan 4s, the Ama Maniere Jordan 3s. I hit on not a damn thing, bro. Not one thing I got in my arsenal. Like, I just took L's all throughout that shit, honestly. But these Travis Scott Jordan 6s are another attempt at trying to get a piece of heat. Look at the inside of the midsole. It has the sicko mode logo on it. It has two pockets instead of one per sneaker. Fire. This like thick haired material for the suede that they use, they're fire. The extra laces, I saw that it comes with a red pair, I think a black pair ish type shit, and then this almost khaki colorway. I do like these sneakers. I might say I like them more than the OGs, but I have the OGs, so you feel me, and they always will be the OGs. I just like the fact that they changed it up, bro. It's not the same sneaker in a different color. Like, they actually did their thing on these, and I could appreciate underrated. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, these are hard. Honestly, a must cop. I want to see how these stand the test of times. I feel like when resell first comes out for these sneakers, it's gonna be 500-600, which pretty much every hyped release that has released recently, resell has been 400 plus. Like, I don't know what's going on, but they need to settle down, bro. Like, we can't keep up. There's been like 3 bangers this week, like low-key flip a coin to see which one you want type shit. I don't know, son. But the outsole of this sneaker is just beautiful in my opinion. That $250 retail, I could understand it for a sneaker like this. You got the Cactus Jack Nike branding on the back right there. From the top point of view, you can see on the insole there's Cactus Jack and then Nike Air on the other one. It's that outsole for me, bro. That glow in the dark shit, especially on the tongue, the lace lock, the back tab. It's just beautiful. If you guys are interested in seeing some of the places they're gonna drop on, you can see right here, Amamanier is gonna do a raffle. We got a raffle on Social Status. Sneakers app, obviously, we already know how that shit's gonna go. Concepts, I feel like I did enter some of these, and honestly, I'm gonna enter on some of the other ones. Something that I have been seeing with this specific release is that they're doing donation-based raffles. So basically, you have to go ahead and pay $5 to even enter on this raffle that you can buy unlimited amount of tickets to see if you win, but then you don't even know what you're technically donating to. It's a shit show, bro. I don't know about the raffle shit, but I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like more people aren't gonna do it because you have to pay for it, but if you got the bread, you'll probably get multiples. So it's, I don't know. I might go ahead and enter on some of those raffles as well. These British khakis, bro, I'm trying to tell y'all, these are the last banger of the week. Make sure you settle down because these bitches is in town. That's the end of this video. I'm about to get up out of here. If y'all enjoyed this one, man, slap a fat like on it down below. I got something in my eye. Hold on. Slap a fat like on it down below. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for these Travises, bro. These are bangers. Definitely need these in my collection. I love the fact that you could just wear it with everything. Besides all that, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Look at the subscriber count. Literally like 40 subscribers away from 18,000. One step closer to 20K. I know y'all could keep showing love, man. Y'all been killing it lately, and I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all for always coming through and showing love to the channel. I'm telling y'all, that shit never goes unnoticed. So if y'all enjoyed this one, slap a like on it. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.